Welcome back, guys, to another AU Falcon video. Over the past couple months, the AU Falcon has been in storage in the backyard because unfortunately it got defected, as all of you know. I'm very sad about it, but the AU Falcon is coming out this weekend to Vic Drift at Calder Park thanks to Autobahn. We're gonna be blazing tires on this thing. This thing today is gonna go through a crazy transformation. We're gonna be chucking our own homemade livery kit on this thing, putting the sponsors on to thank the sponsors. So stick around for that. This thing's gonna look completely different by the end of today's video. But before we do anything, we need to clean this thing because it is infested with spiders. Ugh. All right, the AU Falcon is cleaned for the first time in like 2 or 3 months, and now we need to do something even sadder, and that is take off the plates. This really sucks, guys. Sad. This is a sad situation, guys, but we've got these plates that'll make up for it. I'll show you later, but they're pretty funny. So the next step of this transformation is to measure up everything. We need to measure up the doors, we need to measure up the bonnet, we need to measure up the boot, and everywhere that we want to put stickers on. We are limited on some size because of my sticker printer, but I'm gonna run you through the process on how I do this all. I've never done this before, so we'll just work it out as we go. So I began by measuring up the lower bumper, followed by the quarter panels, and I just did measurements all around the car and jotted them down on my phone so that I had some sort of reference to go by when designing something in Photoshop. Now, I've never done this before, so I don't really know what I'm doing, but let's see how it goes. So we are now at my computer upstairs, and we're gonna try to do some designs for the livery of the AU Falcon. Now, I've never done anything like this before, so I'm gonna just take you through the creative process. I'm not really an artist myself, so bear with me, but we're gonna get the streamer setup going, and I'm gonna transfer you guys over to the computer. So I took some photos of the AU Falcon, and I'm just gonna put them over here just so that we could have some sort of design to work on. Let's import these photos. I'm gonna grab this one. We're gonna put the shadows up. We're gonna put the exposure up. There we go. Now we have a nice clear background. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna apply it to all the other ones. Okay, that's way too bright. Okay, we're in Photoshop now. The first thing I'm gonna do is, I reckon I'm gonna put my logo just at the bottom right here. So here's the Benky Spec logo. Our printer can only print so big, so I'm thinking maybe something like this. Maybe we're gonna have to extend it down here, or we could probably put it down here. Benky Spec right there. But I do want Benky Spec to sort of cover most of the car, so it's looking pretty sick so far. So we've now added all the sponsors onto the AU, so I'm just trying to figure out where I should place them all, and then we'll start moving on to the creative sort of stuff. Not too sure how I'm gonna show you that, but yeah, this is what we're looking at so far. So I went ahead and found some lightning bolts on Google Images. I played around with some of the designs, made them bigger, stretched them out. And like I said, guys, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but we'll just see how we go. Now, after that, getting all the designs, it was time to lay everything down on the sticker printer software. I'm limited to 11.5 inches wide, and I can go basically infinite length, just depending on how much vinyl I've got. But this was the tricky part, sort of making sure that everything was the right size. And I also had to print out everything individually. Obviously, I couldn't print out all the designs on one piece of vinyl. Now, it was time to print everything out now that I'd got it all on the software. So we loaded up the sticker machine with some vinyl. We started off with some black vinyl because that's the color of the logos that I'm going, mixed with some other stuff which you'll see in a minute. Now, because the stickers are large, I had to do this outside in the living room. So Chloe went ahead and she peeled up all the stickers, and then we put the transfer tape on top. Okay guys, we've now picked out all the material. We just got one little bit there, and then we can put our transfer tape and then stick it on the car. And we were basically ready to apply the stickers. All right, we have now done the designs and we have got the stickers, and we're gonna start applying these to the car. You can see we did some whiteboard marker sketches to sort of see where we wanted the stickers. Now I gotta clean that off, but yeah, I'll let you guys know how we go. These are pretty difficult to apply. I'm excited, baby. Okay, we are now ready to apply this sticker.
3/4 of me.
Big as Chloe. Okay, this is the really hard bit, sort of trying to make sure that the vinyl itself sticks to the transfer tape. It begins. So we have our Autobahn stickers now. We're gonna be chucking those on. You can't really tell right now, but they are full of glitter.
So shiny, I love them.
Yep, super shiny. We just need to cut them up. Chop, chop, chop. yeah, she started, mate. Let's go. Here it is, guys. The big reveal. Let me show you what we've done. It's so echoey in here. So this took a lot longer than I thought it would. This took a couple days to actually design and make. As you guys saw with the process, we used Photoshop, and it kind of turned out completely different to what we did on Photoshop, because I just decided to add these like little lightning bolts everywhere.
They look good. So
let me give you a tour of my new AU Falcon livery DIY done at home by me and Chloe. So we're gonna start off with this big Benki Spec logo, of course, repping benkispec.com. If you wanna grab some merch, if you wanna help support the channel, head over there. We ship everything from my bedroom. Got all the hoodies, got all the t-shirts, and we make stickers in-house, just like we did with these stickers here. Now, of course, we have the sponsors, the biggest one being, of course, Autobahn. We've got the Autobahn logo right here in a nice glittery red like I showed you before. It's actually very sparkly. We also got the Raceworks Chicane and NGK. Massive shout out to Raceworks, because absolutely killer when it comes to fittings, lines, and everything. We use Raceworks for literally all our builds. They've been incredible and I've never had an issue with them. I'm pretty happy with this. These are our lightning strikes along here. Now we're not done. We still need to put some more logos on the front up here, plaster this thing up. And of course, everything on this side is basically mirrored. So we contoured the sticker to this little hit that we got from, I think, Jamie or Luke Sanders. Not too sure who hit me there, but I think, yeah, we've covered up some of where Jamie's hit me. Show them the Kang lightning down here that we messed up putting on.
both sides.
Both sides, yeah. And then on the back, we of course have Autobahn in a big holographic logo right there. We've also got the lightning strikes. We've got TI Performance, who have been a massive help to the channel as well with the J3 chip that we installed ages ago. They're gonna be helping us in the future with this build, so stay tuned for that. And of course, our boys over at AU House, we run their knuckles and their lock kit. Everyone runs their lock kit, they're amazing. So now we are not done yet. We need to get this thing track ready. And to get an AU Falcon track ready, Nathan and I are gonna show you what you gotta do.
So AU Falcon, like their service intervals, sort of carries over into drifting. All you gotta do when you wanna get your AU track ready is pop the bonnet. Where's the lever, man?
Come on, man, you can figure it out.
I remember I had to bend this on the side of along the wall, like Calder.
Oh, you got it, man. So yeah, how do you prepare an AU Falcon for a drift day, bro?
Do you have a tissue?
No.
Need a tissue. Nah, you wanna check your oil.
Got to make sure you at least got some in there, right?
Yep.
It's black?
It's black, yep.
You don't need to change it, man.
Yeah.
This is gonna be famous last words.
Rex had big plans of
Yeah, dude.
It's not even on minimum.
Yeah, man, not much oil in there. This thing goes through like a bottle of oil every track day.
More actually. Well, last time, Peter brought like a 20-litre can of it and 3 AUs went through all of it.
Yeah, we kept stealing Peter's oil. Peter was like, bro, where did all the oil that I brought go?
And it was like semi-synthetic diesel oil as well.
Chuck it in, don't need a funnel.
No. Have you told them that your coolant's leaking? I'm gonna...
Don't spill it.
There is a trick. I'll do the AU funnel trick.
Oh yeah.
It works, sort of.
Yeah, sort of works. All you need to do to get your AU Falcon track ready is make sure it's got enough oil.
And it still doesn't have enough.
Damn, she's a thirsty girl.
I reckon we put in probably a litre.
Do we, you reckon? We chucked in like a litre just then. Yeah, what the hell?
It's still not, it's about halfway. Oh, see?
Oh, bro.
See, you need the dipstick.
You haven't got the skills, man. No
Like you care anyway.
Doesn't matter, it means that we get to clean the valve cover. We're ready for the track day, baby. Oil changed, or oil filled up. Now, unfortunately, we're having a bit of an issue with the coolant. So for some reason, when I leave the car stationary for about an hour, we get a hand-sized puddle of coolant. Yeah, there we go. About a hand-sized puddle of coolant on the ground. And I can't really figure out where it's coming from. You wanna have a look?
Well, when we put your wheels on, we can have a look.
Oh yeah, we'll chuck the wheels on.
Yeah, we'll jack the car up, see where it's coming from.
Jack it off?
It's somewhere around here, yeah. Jack it off.
Yeah, give it a good jack off.
No, it's like bone dry.
Ow!
Don't need that.
Oh God, weight savings.
Come on, well, you don't need this. Come on. What's this? You don't need this. Come on. Get that out of here. Come on.
Come on, man.
Get with the program. All right. Door
Just
cards.
a proper tin can now.
No, door cards, mate. Come on.
We're almost ready to put those custom plates on the AU, but first, we're just putting on some more stickers from our friends over at Neutron. There we go. Go check them out on Instagram. Hell yeah. These are our custom plates for the AU. Now we picked this up from a dealership that was going into liquidation because apparently a highway was being made through it. I just thought it'd be funny. Dedicated gas. It's not dedicated gas. I don't know. We're just trying to make this car look a little bit more exciting. Think it looks good, Ash? Dedicated gas, baby. Dedicated gas. And there the AU goes. Retiring again for another couple months until the next drift day. But I think it's pretty funny that we got these plates on now. I'm super stoked with how this thing looks, to be honest. I miss driving this thing on the road. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Catch up.